Sony's Xperia smartphone business has reported its first profit in years.
Oh, nice. Congrats.
So,
Sony.
So that's good news, especially in a situation where we just had the LG news about them bailing and saying no dice. Like it just wasn't working out. They couldn't turn a profit. They kept taking a shot at it. And then they said, we're out of the smartphone business completely.
Yeah.
And I mean, I like to have options in the space. It's nice, especially from brands that I kind of grew up with. You know, there's a little attachment there. Sony being one of them. And maybe they're starting to figure out like a little groove with the prosumer type and the camera types. And we've talked about it, how they kind of embraced the Xperia thing or the A-series thing inside of the Xperia phones. So you kind of felt like you had features from your Pro camera, and they just, I don't know, did they carve something out? Maybe. Around 400,000 Xperia smartphones were shipped in Q1 2021, which, by the way, that's not a lot. In fact, what's weird about this report is the last quarter they didn't do well, but it was just when you piled up the whole year. It was the first time in a long time they turned a profit. So the fiscal year 2020 was the first time since 2017 that the mobile communications division of Sony reported a profit. That's make or break type stuff, Will.
Yeah.
That was a similar story to LG. 2017, you're in 2021 right now. I don't know if I need to remind you.
Yeah.
2017. How old were you in 2017? You were 15 years old.
Yeah. Seems pretty accurate. But they stuck to their guns. And now they're not on top.
I don't know. I mean, maybe they're going to find an audience here. They got all this new stuff coming out.
Yeah.
They've maybe they found an audience and they have these narrow phones, high resolution, and leveraging the camera stuff, which they're obviously dominating in that space. So good luck in the future. But yeah, shout out, make a few bucks, Sony, stay in the game.